Okay, here's a new crossing install on South Huron River Drive, Flat Rock, Michigan, on the Canadian National Flat Rock subdivision. New gates. Safe Tran Type 3. Electronic bell. I don't know what kind of lights those are. Can't get a good view since it's all blocked off. Let me try right here. Ah, here it is. Nope, blocked off still. Here's the other signal. Oh, this one has side lights for the packaging plant. I believe it's packaging plant down there. So this is other crossing. Oh, I just realized they both have stop signs on them. That's pretty interesting. It's another Safe Tran Type 3. Safe Tran lights. I believe those are 12-inch. Western Call and Hayes gate mechanism on both signals. And that's pretty much it. But before I stop, I'm gonna check the crossing on the other side. Oh yeah, this one has a stop sign on it too. Well, yeah, that's kind of interesting. But yeah, thanks for watching.